Value creation in the logarithmic model is the GP's gross multiple of invested capital at 2x. Total shareholder value creation is the isomeric return of 2.25x. Here we see that the GP underperformed the shareholder group as a whole. It's dilution that makes the GP's return a little worse than the other shareholders and is driven by the fund ownership multiplier being less than 1.0x. The product of these numbers, 2.25x and 0.89x, give us the gross multiple of 2.00x. The enterprise valuation figures give us the unlevered return of 1.8x, and the equity ratios give us the leverage effect of 1.25x, and the product of these two numbers provide the isomeric return of 2.25x. Again, a 50% increase in TTM EBITDA provides EBITDA growth of 1.5x, and a 20% expansion of the valuation multiple provides multiple expansion of 1.2x, and a product of these two numbers provides the unlevered return. And of course, if you multiply together the equity return multipliers for EBITDA growth, multiple expansion, leverage effect, and fund ownership impact, you will get the deal's gross multiple of 2.00x. One of the nice things about the logarithmic model is that it's really easy to calculate the value drivers right over here on the table where you organize your data. Here's what the model looks like in a chart format, and you can download the Excel model for this one on the website.